Hello everyone, my name's Ben from TV Parts Today, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. Is your television displaying an image but is not producing any sound? If we've eliminated any audio settings on the television or the speakers themselves as the problem, the most common fix for this issue is swapping out the main board. With just a screwdriver and a replacement part from TV Parts Today, we can help you get your TV back up and running. For as little as $20 in 20 minutes, TV Parts Today can help you get your TV fixed at home. Everything from back removal to the actual board swap. TV Parts Today is here to help you every step of the way. Check out our wizard of TV repair and our huge inventory of parts at www.tvpartstoday.com.